They say that the traditional ruler of the Biafrans don't blow hot for court today, and they don't also expose the reason why we make the Nigeria court wey be the justice wey be Binta Nyako no release Nnamdi Kanu, no grant Nnamdi Kanu bail today. No be small thing o, they dey there gidigbam with no shaking. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. For this video wey I go play you, I want you to listen very carefully. May you get the reason why this Binta Nyako say he no go release Nnamdi Kanu, grant am bail today. Listen very careful, may you know wetin dey go on. Yeah, my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring updates back to back as e dey hot. And if you know say you never subscribe or share this video, I beg may you quickly do so and follow this page for more updates. Please, I'm going straight to the point. Watch this video that I'm about to play you right now. May you get the reason why these people no grant Nnamdi Kanu bail today and know the reason as well.
Kanya sebuko Nnamdi nilo ya kwuru ọfụma kwuo na ibe ọnọ na ndị na-achị achị ekwere kanya abụlọ ya na-eje mitie ka ọ kọwala ebe ka eje mewaga onwere ole ndị lọ ya nwere ole mba ebe ahụ and ndị lọ ya nwere ole mba n'ibe na-ekwu okwu onwere ibe onwe ike mkpe nne ndị lọ ya na-ekwuzi ka ebuje na prison ka na-akpọ kuje prison. Nwaanyị asị na anya ọ bụrụ na kọt eko eme na nye ekwuru ụdị ahụ oge ọ na-ekwu anyị machara onye ọbụla nwee nchekwu, onye ọbụla eme ekpere na ibe oge nke Chineke erugo na Chineke emeliwa ebu Chineke maka ahịa anyị niile bụ ka anyị na ochekwu Chineke ka uche mmadụ ghara mme ka ọ bụ uche ya bụ Chineke eme na Chukwu abụrụ mma nọ mma ọkọ uche eme ihe a na-ayọ bụ ka anyị bụ ndị Igbo ibe dị na mmenụ ọkụ n'ibe ka ọ na-akụziri anyị na anyị nwe obodo nwe anyị nọdụ na mma obodo nwe anọdụ mma ọ bụ na anyị nọzụ obodo ama nọ mma onye ọbụla mara amalị n'obodo niile dị n'ụwa ibe onye Igbo na-anọga ilu ebe agbapụ n'onye Igbo kedu ya akọwala akọwala ụlọ ndị anyị nọ bebe ma ndị ọzọ ụlọ nwaone dị na Igbo ndị Igbo lu na-ebe niile ọ ịbụ n'anya and ọganiru ka o meta onye ahụ maka ọ dị mma ndị onye Igbo ibe ọbụla ọ nọ ọya bụ ele mmadụ ebe ahụ okwu ọnụ Cheke ọ bụrụ okwu ọnụ mmadụ na-adị anyị mma na eke adị anyị n'oyi adị anyị na agwụ adị anyị na nkwụ na-abachikwa oke ezi Igbo
we are live at Federal High Court, Abuja. Oh yeah? To get a briefing on what transpired today in court, as court denied Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of bail. So we are waiting for the barrister to brief us exactly what transpired. So stay tuned. We'll be interviewing Kenya now, so pay attention.
Let's go back to school. There is nothing like trial. What is One minute so that the reason why so anybody involved in criminality, you said it there in court, that person will not go to court. We are here today. You better clear to everybody. So we should take place. No longer business of food. You know, we're here. That's not going to it's a trial that we my parents are leaders of the country. So for those who are confusing us for doing one thing or the other, I pray that
I personally received the news of the rejection of the bail application with sadness. It was unnecessary. We lost an opportunity to commence the process of healing. That bail application would have opened the door of opportunity that would have brought stability in our place and opened up for conversation to resolve all issues that have led up to this point. And it's so painful that this is coming at a time that a few weeks ago, the federal government, on its own, in exercise of its constitutional power, discontinued the trump of criminal charges filed against exercising its powers under Section 172. And we also are aware that the central government has allowed Sunday to also where he's with his people. So it's so painful that whenever it has to do with an event, there's different interpretations and different reasons for you to keep people in detention. So that is why we say it's so painful. And as a federal lawmaker, I'm calling on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu not to allow the moment to pass him by. That what the president should do is to invoke the powers given to him and the Attorney General in particular under Section 174 C1C of the Constitution to discontinue these charges that have been filed against Nnamdi Kanu. And if you go by Section 174C, that this can be discontinued on basis of justice and public interest. It is in public interest and it is in interest of justice that the federal government discontinues this charge. It is also painful for us that this bail application was rejected, but we hope that President Mohamed Buhari should take the moment and discontinue this.
Tinubu.
President Bola Tinubu should discontinue this charge. And I'll let my brother, who is representing Nnamdi Kanu at the
What Igbo is allowed is the constitutional language. I can speak Igbo in the chamber of the National Assembly. But however, let me speak in English. It's very sad, like my brother said, that there are two separate rules, one for other Nigerians and one for the Igbo man. Nigeria appears to still be in distrust and uncomfortable with the Igbo man. And all the Igbo man wants is full development and aspirational goals for all persons, regardless of, ethnicity, religion, or gender. We are very saddened about today. Like my brother said, this is a great, unique opportunity that has been missed, that would have been the basis for peace and reconciliation in the Southeast. All the agitations that are happening in the Southeast, all the crime and criminality, banditry, kidnapping, that are happening in the Southeast is because of the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu. A lot of people are using his name to commit all these crimes and criminality. The peace in the Southeast or peace in Nigeria cannot go anywhere without the unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu. The government cannot miss this opportunity, but we are very optimistic that the next hearing, as the judge said, that one, he will be granted bail. He hasn't committed any crime in this country that will continue to warrant his illegal detention. So we are calling on the government of President Tinubu to do the right thing and not be held hostage like the former President Buhari did because of his own personal bias against the Igbos and against Nnamdi Kanu. So I'm calling on all Igbos, wherever they are, to remain calm. This man will walk away free one day to the glory of God. Thank you.
You just heard the voice of one of Agbocha. His name is Agbocha. He's representing one in Syria. So let's go back to the interview.
Now listen to the read of the court. It's not over, but he also granted graciously said reapply, put another application, and then tomorrow they do the resume back. And we want to believe that the president will catch it on this to make peace, full peace, and lasting peace with the Southeast. It's not very fair the way it's treated. As a former presidential candidate and as a traditional representing a traditional authority, I am saying it is about time that the young man is allowed to go home, because allowing him to go home cannot cause any more problem. The way it is, I am optimistic and I'm hoping that in no distant time he will get full bail. But going by the directives of the court is neither, because the judge refused to take him to the prison, and they said there are other places that they can be taken to. So it's like halfway home, and we believe it's going to come to the glory of God and to peace in Nigeria and the Southeast. Thank you. Godson Okoye, former presidential candidate.
I did this now. I did this now. So I make a phone with I did.
Yes, my people, welcome back. As you don't hear, the reason why where these people see home as Nnamdi Kanu and get wetin this man talk for here. He said that oji hen wata weli aka elu akajo owetu akala. Means if you hold person something for up, when your hand dey pain you must raise your hand down and the person go collect anything. Na so him be. So share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot. Nnamdi Kanu must be released. If you are among those who know what Nnamdi Kanu release, you better enter inside underground because Nnamdi Kanu will be released.